All right, everybody. So I just happened to be driving by, and this is a new construction house. And I said, shoot, they ain't got no felt paper on that place. I've got to check that out. So I thought, well, hell, let's check it out. What a good opportunity. Wow. So I walk up, I just start looking. This is unbelievable. Can you see that nail? I bet you can't even see that nail back there. Look at that. Look at that. That nail is so deep, I got to get a stick. What can I stick back there in that hole? Just to show you how deep that is. Goodness gracious. Yep. These nails, way overdriven. Way overdriven. There's one that's not quite driven at all, but goodness gracious. Look at the nails on this thing. These nails are deep. Deep. Some of them deeper than others, but some of them it's just unbelievable. Way back there. Look at that. Look at that. That's a nail. That's a nail. That's a nail. Look, oh my word. If you're building a house and the nail is that far back, is that nail going to hold anything in a piece of OSB? This is, wow. What do you think about that? So, okay, so some people like the framing. Nobody can like that. Some people say, oh no, that's the normal type of framing for today. And I did look up on Google. I couldn't believe. I saw it said advanced framing techniques. I hope that's not part of the advanced framing techniques. Because if you go sideways to that thing, you can't see the nail in some of them. Look. Look, you can't see the nail till you come around the front. Them nails are gone. And this is just a piece of OSB. It's not like it's a piece of regular plywood. But the nails, look at the, you can't see the heads and the nails, people. We live in 110-mile-an-hour wind zone around here. If you can't see the nails, there's a problem. Yeah, advanced framing techniques. That's what they're calling that right there. Now, I'm going to show you an example of what a T looks like on a standard wall. And it's not like these. It is not like these. This is a pretty good sized house. Well, I can see part of the problem. A lot of the nails are just missing. Missing. Yeah, that's that to me, my friend, is not advanced nailing techniques when you can't see the stinking nails. Can't even see them. I can see where it would be easier to insulate behind that instead of a U or a T being there, but a little different to me. Looks clean. That might be a solid T there. I mean, a solid exterior corner. I really can't tell from here. But I can tell you one thing. All these missing nails, they can't be good. There are nails everywhere sticking through the house where they've missed. Missing nails everywhere. That's one thing about a gun. You don't even know if you're missing or if you're hitting or what. can't tell you. These nails on the outside leave very little to be desired. I don't like it at all. I think I'd rather have mine hand nailed if I had to worry about them being, I mean, look, drove so far through that the OSB is busted. I do like these corners better. I like a corner like that. And this advanced framing technique, I'm just not so sure about that. I think the sheetrockers are going to have a hard time with stuff like this. That's what I think. I think the sheetrockers will have a hard time with this. I might be wrong, but it is possible to insulate it. I can see the insulation factor. I can definitely see a good insulating factor. And I do like a corner to look like this. I don't like the ones where they just put a sideways board in there. That would not be my favorite at all. So yeah, see that? I like it. Yep, look at that. 3 2x4s. That way you can put another one here, another one there. It works out better. As for the nailing on the OSB on the outside, and that truss that was sitting in the dirt. Yeah, that truss that was sitting in the dirt. That's that exterior truss that was laying in the dirt out there. It's pretty nasty. Looks like they might have mold already. That looks like mold to me. That, to be honest, looks like mold also from laying in the ground. That could be mold. I'm not sure. But it's ugly. Way too many nails. Way too many nails, everybody, being drawn through the house. I mean, I'm on the inside. I shouldn't be seeing any of these nails, and they are everywhere. Hell, I think, yeah, I could just pull that one out from the inside. Don't think that's very proper. They just nailing them. Nailing the bejesus out of them. Yeah. Pulled that one out by hand. Yeah, I think if you're going to be nailing with a gun, you got to at least make sure you hit something. There's nails everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere. It's a good sized house though. Excuse me. You can see where the lumber has been laying in the dirt. All that is just filthy dirt. Filthy dirt. Who frames like this? That's where they let the framing come in. This, so they run a piece of sheetrock over here like this and another sheetrock piece in, and they put a piece of tape on that. And then what about down the road when the house is moving and there's no nails in that piece of sheetrock except for a nail, a nail, a nail, and a nail? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 5 nails in that whole piece right there. 5 nails. How in the world does that sheetrock stay together? I do not know. As opposed to if it looked like this, they could nail sheetrock all the way down through there. But if it's nailed like that, they can only nail it there, 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 top and bottom. That's it. Anyways, I'm out. I just want to know who does this kind of nailing on OSB on the outside where their nails just coming through the whole house. Pretty much everywhere. Pretty much everywhere, even on the blocking. I think this is just hurry up and go. Hurry up and go. Let's get the heck out of here. I'm guessing there's going to be a bathtub right here, obviously, with a center drain. I kind of like that. I like that big wide piece of wood. So when they put the bathtub in there, the edge has a lip on it. I think that's pretty cool. This is one of the bigger houses I've seen. What do you guys think about this on the outside? Let's go.